Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be sharing some amazing websites that can help you create stunning 3D mockups without any prior design experience. Whether you are a marketer, a product designer, or simply someone who wants to visualize their ideas, these websites offer user-friendly interface and powerful features to bring your creations to life. First up, we have Mockup Free Co. This website lives up to its name, offering a treasure trove of free 3D mockups across various categories. From bags, books, products to classic apparel, you'll find a good selection of mockups to showcase your designs. Next up, we have goodmockups.com. This website offers a premium selection of high-quality 3D mockups perfect for those who demand the best. It has stunning collection across diverse categories from tech gadgets and packaging to branding and apparel. Last but not the least, we have LS Graphics. This website caters to those seeking unique and creative 3D mockups. They offer a curated selection that stands out from the crowd, featuring artistic and eye-catching designs. Here, you will find mockups perfect for showcasing logos, branding elements, and artistic designs in a truly unique way. So there you have it. These are just a few of the many excellent websites available for creating 3D mockups. By exploring these platforms and experimenting with their features, you can bring your ideas to life and create visually stunning designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.